I just love fried chicken, and I think I've found the secret to making it. So stick with me and let me show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is add a cup of buttermilk to a mixing bowl. Then crack an egg in. Half a teaspoon of salt. And grab up our whisk and mix everything until it's well combined. Now we'll grab up our chicken parts and go ahead and throw these in. Now I'm using a combination of thighs and legs here, it's just what I like, but you can use wings, breasts, whatever your little heart desires. Now we'll just give these guys a roll around until they're completely covered with that buttermilk. And the buttermilk is actually one of the secrets here. Kind of funny, guys, while we're working on the chicken, Coco is having his own little treat. Okay, I'm just going to slap some cling wrap over this. And I'm just going to let this marinate for a few minutes. You can do it overnight too. Like you can use the old Ziploc bag trick. Works really well. Now let's prepare our flour dredge by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to our dredging station. Followed by half a cup of cornstarch. Then our secret 11 herbs and spices. Grab up our handy dandy whisk and whisk until everything is nicely combined. Now this is a teaspoon of each. I'm not going to say them all because it's a long list, but I will put them in the description below and in the blog, and this could be the Colonel's secret mix. Now here's another cool little trick, guys. I'm going to scoop up about a 1/4 cup of that marinade and add it into the flour mixture. Then I'm going to use my fingertips and mix it up until I get a kind of crumbly pea-like mixture. And this is going to be so good it'll stick right to the chicken for that absolutely incredible crunchy coating. And just look at this crumbly coating, guys, way better than shake and bake. Next up, I'm going to grab up the chicken and put it into that flour dredge and just put everything on just so it's completely coated into every little nook and cranny. Then just set each piece onto a wire rack. Okay, now we've got our oil heated up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm just going to drop the chicken in and fry it up until it's a beautiful, crunchy golden brown. And one other tip, guys, once it begins frying, don't touch it for about 2 minutes. After a few minutes and it's begun to get golden brown, now you can go ahead and give it a flip over. After about 10 or 12 minutes, just look at this, guys. Isn't this incredible? Then just set this aside on a wire rack and continue frying up the rest of that yummy chicken. And there you have it, guys, our super crispy secret 11 herbs and spices fried chicken. You're gonna love this. Okay, let's go ahead and grab one of these up. Like, I just can't believe it. They feel so firm, so good, and look absolutely incredible. All right, let's give this a taste. Wow. This coating is absolutely spectacular with those 11 herbs and spices. So juicy and absolutely wonderful. This is the secret to fried chicken, guys. You gotta make this. Of course, I'm gonna have more.